we're over at my neighbor's to do a taste test.
Okay.
Here's my neighbor Brett here. He's gonna plow into this bad boy here.
Boy, I gotta tell you, that's not half bad. That's gonna ruin my dinner.
Oh, I was gonna say, I always ruin your dinner.
Boy.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, this week we're gonna do something cool. We're gonna stick with the Hatch chilies. We're gonna do a Hatch chili Philly. I'm gonna add a little extra touches here and there to it. That's next on Cooking with Corey, Hatch chili Philly. All right, our ingredients are, hey, delicious red or purple onion. Got some delicious rolls, fresh rolls, or whatever you want to use. We got some delicious smoked Gruyere. We got some garlic. We got some hot Hatch chilies. We got a delicious ribeye steak, which I'll cut down into strips. And just to sweeten it up a little bit, a nice, delicious yellow pepper. Alright, let's get this cook going. Alright, time to get Chop-O-Matic going up here. And we're going to have to do a little Grate-O-Matic to go with everything else. Hey, Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, thought I'd show you how I cut my steak. You don't have to do it this way. You can actually get it shaved from your meat department. But ribeye, USDA choice ribeye from my Russ's Market. And people, we'll take a little bit of fat off of that. That's all I'm going to take off fat-wise of that. And then you just take this, cut it into nice, thin strips. Alright, let's go take this out back, get that black stove fired up, get this delicious thing cooked up. Hatch chili Philly. Alright, let's get this cook going. We got our delicious vegetable mixture right here. We got our Hatch chili, we got a yellow pepper, we got some garlic, and we got some red onion. I have oiled my black stove, and this will go on there. Get all that yumminess out of it. And while it's there, we will hit it with some kosher salt and some fresh cracked pepper. Always fresh cracked pepper. Alright, time to give these a flip. Just a reminder, when we're making this Philly, we want to make sure our vegetables are not cooked to a crisp. We want a little integrity left to our vegetables when we're done here. I do anyway. So 1, 2, 3 burners are on. This side over here is off. So here shortly, we're going to move this over and we will throw on the ribeye and get that going. Alright, let's get some buns going. So we got our rolls here, our buns, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil in there. Put that down like that. We'll hit our next one with a little bit of olive oil in there. We're going to put them down like that. The reason I'm putting them down like that right now is for this purpose only. A little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper on those. Alright, our veg over there to the point where I'm happy with it, and we're going to move that over. So it's going over there into keep me nice and warm and ready to go on the rest of the sandwich. These two bad boys right here are going to go like that, and they're going to go like that, and we're going to throw down a little bit of oil. Yes, we are. We're going to throw down our ribeye steak that we thinly sliced. We're going to get that going. And of course, we're going to season kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper. definitely not going to cook this for long. We don't want to overcook our ribeye either, our ribeye steak. All right, while doing your ribeye, you want to get it most of the way done on that one side so you can actually have a little browning and coloring on that side. All right, that looks good. We're going to separate those two out like so. And take our bones, which are looking deliciously toasted. I will show you one. It's hot. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah. All right, so we have separated out our two piles of steak. I'm throwing a curveball in on this recipe, just a little curveball. That's going to be some fried egg. So oil on our board and 1 egg and 2 eggs going there. Obviously, a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper on those. Alright, while we're at it there, we're moving around pretty fast right now, folks. I know, it's going to be good though. Our veg back over onto our delicious ribeye. And we got our hatch chilies on there, looking just delicious with our peppers and our onions and our garlic. Don't forget, we got garlic in there also. Our eggs. Are you ready for a little flipperoo? Absolutely. And don't forget, we are covering these with our delicious smoked Gouda. All right, those eggs. 30 more seconds here, probably. It should be good to go. Want to get that white cooked through. Yep, we're good to go on those. So you got a little eggy surprise right in the middle of those. Look at that. Come on, guys. Tell me that's not looking delicious already. And with that, a big, huge helping of smoked Gouda on top of each one. All right, guys. Go real small on here around cooking with Corey. That's looking delicious. And I brought out Mr. Steam Lid. Hey, this is for you, Mike Montoya. We're going to give them a little steaming in some Busch Light. We'll play it next. All right, moment of truth. How we do here? Oh, tell me that does not look delicious. I mean, that looks over the top delicious. I got my board over here. I got our deliciously toasted bun right here. Take one right here. Goes in there. I know you guys can't see that over there right now, but I'll take you in closer here and show you how they look. Take our other, like so. All right, let's go look how this looks on the plate. Let's do it next. All right, we are back with our delicious hatch chili Phillies, smoked Gouda, over easy egg, all the deliciousness, garlic, onions, peppers, whatever have you. A little bit of smoked Gouda over the top. We already got plenty in there. All right, guys, I'm just gonna fold this sucker up. And I'm just gonna cut through it for you. And we'll see how we did here. All right, guys, look at that. That is sheer, pure deliciousness right there, people. Hey, don't forget to click down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. We shall see you next week. Hey, Harry. It is Harry approved, people. It is Harry approved also.